Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to create Alan Walker's faded lead that he uses on the intro, which is super easy. But before starting, Alan, if you are watching this video, you used to leave comments on my old channel and old songs, but where are you now? So if Alan watches somehow this video, come say hi. So to do his lead, add harmless, and then that's pretty much it. But play with the pluck. Go a little higher. And add the notes. I'm not sure if these are the exact notes. Maybe go an octave above. And then when you go on the drop, just play the melody. Wait, let me edit this real fast. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.